Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today I have my good friend John.
I'm a friend. Yay. Yay.
I have friends. No.
I play games
And
all day.
John, what are we? You're not supposed to open it yet.
I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't.
So we're doing a Tech unboxing because we have no life. These used to be big when we were kids, though.
Yeah.
You already opened yours.
No, that was GameStop for you.
Oh, okay, yeah, no, he opened it.
And make sure it's great. What the hell? White drip tape.
Why? Dude, they're usually black.
I don't know why that's a thing.
What? That's so dumb. We want black back. We want black back.
You go back, you never go back, huh?
Yeah, once you go black, you never go back, man.
Oh no, you gotta put it on yourself.
Oh, that's dumb. Oh, no, actually, that's not that bad.
Wait, why is the one they put together not even done yet?
Oh my god, mine are already falling.
Don't mess with those. Those
Thank
are hard to
God,
find.
those are not out yet. Okay.
We need drip tape.
Oh, okay, there it is.
I need drip tape. I got this.
Oh my god, John, you have to take them out just to put this on.
No, you don't. I'm not going to.
I might, because you kind of need the tech deck. That's what the tech deck is. It's meant for the. So that's what the first one looks like. That's not bad. Are you not gonna? Oh wait, no, it's just a peel apart. Oh.
Let's see if real skateboarding helps out with this.
This is why you bring your smart friend on.
I didn't know I was smart.
You graduated high school.
I barely.
I mean, same, but you know. John, I actually can't get this off. I need you. I need an adult. But since we're right here, I'll show you guys the rest of them. Got that one. And him and I have the same exact ones. We have that one. And we have that one. And then of course we both are, you know.
Can you even read it?
I missed. Do you want to put them on and I will China.
You're retarded.
But it clearly says China.
They're not going to be able to see that. You ain't got that kind of power.
China.
Yeah, put it on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the sticky stuff.
Paula Rodriguez.
Okay, copyright.
Trust me, you ain't got to worry about that.
Thanks, John.
YouTube probably won't even see it.
Thanks, John. I really appreciate your support, John.
Constructive criticism.
What if Coach Cleveland watches this and he's like, wow,
I'll let him pass through this.
I let him pass. I let him and John pass just so they can make tech videos.
No, I actually passed legit.
I passed legit.
Keep lying to yourself.
I passed legit. I didn't do Coach Cleveland any favors.
Besides that, you were in a van.
No, that's not why I passed. He was going to fail me.
That's why he gave you a second chance, probably.
No, he gave me a second chance with my phone call. I emailed him about 100 times. All right. So which one are we gonna make first? Oh, you're gonna put all the tech deck things on first.
I'm not doing all of them. I'm just doing the one I wanted on first. I'm doing the Rodriguez one with the skull.
That's the one that I want as well.
No, I'm doing
Oh, you're doing that one. Oh, they're all Rodriguez.
Paul Rodriguez. He rides for Primitive. Oh, I forgot. You're not really into skateboarding that much.
I know. I just.
You want to be,
I
but
just started learning.
it's easier to put on when they're off. Where's my tool? Oh, that's actually kind of cool. I haven't had the. I got the big version of that. That's for the wheels. That's for the. I'm putting the wheels on first because they're a pain in the butt. The gold ones are for the wheels.
You have to put those on first. Oh, you're putting that on before you put this on?
I'm putting the wheels onto this.
And then you're putting this on next.
Yeah.
That seems
The
little.
black ones are for the put the trucks on, and then the gold ones.
Which way do you put them on, like that? Yeah.
Like this. And you really put the nut in.
I have not done tech decks in several years. So,
I need the bolts. I don't know how to get them out.
where are mine? Wait, where'd mine go?
Oh, they're tape.
Gone?
They're on there. Over here. Whoa, what's the
Throwing stuff now?
Wait, okay, how many trucks you got? I got 4. How much do you got?
6.
So these are both mine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
I only have 5 now.
Don't have
6.
Oh my god.
Shut up. What? They're so small.
What's the one?
Don't fart it on video.
I haven't put on you yet.
Yet.
Soon, my child, soon.
I'll put the red ones on. 'Cause I'm cool.
That's your wheel. I want the red ones on this one. John, I need your help. I don't know how to open these.
It'll be alright.
It scared the crap out of me.
That's not hard to do.
I'll take offense to that.
Well, that's one wheel on.
Oh, hey. Cool. I'm gonna let John do this because John is intelligent.
You thought?
He's smarter than me.
Not much of a compliment.
You're not wrong. Or it's copyright, actually. That song?
What do you have problems with? Like legit. It's tape. It's just tape.
You know what my worst enemy is, John?
Tape.
Yes. That and Champion.
Sponsor.
What?
What's the sponsor?
What do you mean? No, I meant Austin. You know, Austin Champion. My dad. Hey, look, so I actually skateboard. I want you to know that he's gonna sit in my room with my Holocaust collection now. This video might have parts, and I might have to like leave and go to work and then come home and finish it.
I mean, you feel it. You finish it.
Are you gonna sit here and record this? Are you gonna actually?
Oh no, this is way easier.
John, I need your help.
With what?
Oh wait. I'm a big kid. I did it all by myself. You proud of me yet?
Not really.
Thanks, Dad. I did it. I'm a good. I'm a big.
Just put it in the group on. I'm over here trying to put the truck back. How about I do this? You know, make it easier on me. Take the wash.
Do you suck at the game?
The kingpin won't come out.
Oh my god.
What?
I almost messed it up.
Surprise.
Shut up. This is the most boring video I've ever recorded. Because I suck. I can't do this.
It's not that hard.
John, I'm bad at the game, okay?
Do you know how to put a real one together?
Huh?
Do you know how to put a real one together?
No? When was the last time I put together a skateboard, John?
I guess I had a real.
Huh?
The last time you actually had a real skateboard.
Which was never. I used to be able to do these like all the time as a kid, but now I just can't do it.
So you graduated high school and now you're not a kid. Wow.
No, like really, like real young. Like I remember doing this at Cole and Chandler when we were young. Here, John, I'm gonna wait for it to.
What do you need help with?
This whole process.
Okay, grab a truck. Then you get the wheels on. That's enough.
I need an adult.
All you do is put the gold things.
I know, you stick the gold thing in the hole and then you twist it, but I can't
Ah.
twist it. I can't get the gold thing in the hole correctly first. Look, it keeps falling off. Wait.
Dude, be smart. It's called get a gold thing. Okay. Put it in this. Dude.
I know how to do it, I just can't twist it.
Put it in there.
Okay.
Whatever. I need a better wheel.
John, I can't even take this off correctly. Look.
Look.
You know what? This is a horrible video for me. This is more of a John video than an Andrew video. And my lighting sucks right now.
It's just heaven. That's all it looks like.
Welcome to heaven, everyone. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video in heaven, apparently.
We died just to...
We died just to film this video.
Hashtag worth it. We're getting that together.
Welcome to Tech Deck Heaven. Okay, but you didn't make that one.
And still feels good. All I need to do is put the wheels on.
Can I do that and you do my freaking... this part? I know how to put those on because those always came off.
If you want to do it for me, yeah. I do it like a real skateboard. How I would make it. Which I'm actually doing this wrong, actually.
I just want to have these built. I forgot how difficult it is to build tech decks. I remember just like sitting in my room and just doing them first try.
It's a skill.
It literally is a skill. This should be a skill in building tech decks. Okay. I have all my boards built. Look, I built snowboards.
I think you took my trucks, dude.
You like my snowboards? I didn't take. They're right here, John.
Oh. I'm a little tired.
No, John, you have to rebuild them. Those are mine. You need to build them. You haven't built them yet.
Shut up. Yes, I did. Don't make me do it again.
Please. Please don't make me do it again, sir.
I think you got one.
I have one.
It would be so bad if they all came out.
I would cry. I would legitimately cry. I think I'm going to put the white ones on this one. And the black ones on this one.
2 years later.
Hey, look, you can't even see it because the light blurs it out. Look.
It's like you don't even have a finger.
Yeah.
You can kind of see it.
How to flick people off in heaven.
Even Jesus is censoring it.
Why is the lighting so bad?
I forgot how I did this a long time ago.
Look, I can see my here. Oh, that's demonetized.
What?
Did I make it better? No, it still looks like trash. Okay.
Excuse me.
This is why I don't film from this angle. This is why I always film into the kitchen. But
That's why I don't film. This is why I do game videos.
yeah. Dad, are you smart?
Yes, I am.
Do you know how to make tech decks?
Huh?
Do you know how to make tech decks?
I've been in the past. Why?
Can you help me, please? Please?
I need an actual screwdriver. This is
I know, this is painful. How are you supposed to do this?
Let the one they give you is like way too big. Yeah, big.
Stop overcompensating.
That's not what I was talking about.
Oh,
But okay.
cool. What?
You work today, right?
Yeah? What time is it?
1 o'clock?
Huh?
I need a bag.
Well, this was a sad video for me.
Active pressure.
John?
Twitch is better.
Did you even like get anything? No. 20 minutes and that's all we did.
So you can't even do that.
I got these on there. Yeah. Okay, well. Oh, I need a bag.
Both need bags.
Dude. Like, subscribe, comment.